Good morning, students of class 10. You welcome in class of mathematics. We are solving the properties of tangent, geometry chapter 5, exercise 5. In the last video class, one question was doubtful. That day I could not get the answer of that question. That is question number 2. That question states that two concentric circles have radii equal to 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Find the length of a chord of the outer circle that touches the inner circle tangentially. So these two are the concentric circle. This center O is the common center for both the circle. BC is the chord of outer circle that touches the inner circle tangentially at point A. So point A became the point of contact. OA is the radius of inner circle, that is 5 centimeter, and OB is the radius of bigger circle, that is 13 centimeter. We are asked to find the length of BC. Here in the first paragraph, I have written all the given informations. Those are OA equal to 5 centimeter, OB equal to 13 centimeter. BC is the chord of the bigger circle and the tangent of the smaller circle with point of contact A. OA is perpendicular to BC. OA is perpendicular to BC because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. I have written in the bracket since radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, triangle OAB became a right angle triangle. In that, I found AB. AB equal to root over OB square minus OA square from Pythagoras theorem. Root over 13 centimeter square minus 5 centimeter square, that is the value of OB and OA respectively. 13 centimeter square, that became 169 centimeter square, minus 5 centimeter square, that became 25 centimeter square. I calculated it and I got 144 centimeter square. Square root of 144 centimeter square. I solved it and I got 12 centimeter. So AB is 12 centimeter. Therefore BC equal to twice of AB. BC equal to twice of AB. 2 into AB. That is equal to 2 into 12 centimeter. That is the value of AB. And I got 24 centimeter. So the length of the chord of the inner circle is equal to 24 centimeter. Question number 4 and 7. Few questions of 7 I have solved. Question number 4 I have solved completely. Between these, we have question number 5 and 6. Those are asked to prove. And proofs are not in our syllabus. So I have cut those two questions. Now we come to question number 9. Question number 9 states that ABC is a right angle triangle. This ABC is a right angle triangle with AB equal to 12 centimeter and AC equal to 13 centimeter. A circle with center O has been inscribed inside the triangle. This is the circle with center O that is inscribed inside this right angle triangle. And find X. Find X, where X is the radius of the circle. So we are asked to find X, that is the value of the radius of the circle. So in the first paragraph, I have written the given information, that is AB equal to 12 centimeter, AC equal to 13 centimeter, X is the radius of the circle. All these things are written from the question. Those are the given information. Then at first, here we are seeing that OS is perpendicular to AB because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So angle OSB is 90 degree. Similarly, OP is perpendicular to BC because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, angle OPB equal to also 90 degree. For that, here I have written angle OSB, this angle equal to angle OPB equal to 90 degree. In bracket, the reason is written, that is radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Now what are saying? These two angles, angle OSB and angle OPB is right angle, and this is already right angle given in the question. So one angle is left, that is angle SOP. Obviously that angle will also be 90 degree. From where the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So this plus this became 270 degree. all those are 90 degree. So third angle OSP equal to 360 minus 270 equal to 90 degree. So this angle is also 90 degree. So for that I have written here in this step, angle OSP equal to angle OPB equal to angle SBP equal to angle SOP, means all these four angles became 90 degree, and these two radii are equal and these two are the tangents drawn from the external point B, so SB will be equal to PB, and for that I have written all these four sides become equal. OS equal to OP equal to BS equal to BP equal to X. If these two are X, then these two will also be X. In this way, what are we getting? This OSBP became a square. Now, this was the second paragraph. Till here, this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. In this second paragraph, I have proved that OSBP is the square. In the third paragraph, I have got the value of BC. AC is given, AB is given. I have used the Pythagoras theorem to find the value of BC. BC equal to AC square minus AB square. BC is equal to root over AC square minus AB square from Pythagoras theorem. I have given the value here. Root over 13 centimeter square minus 12 centimeter square, root over 169 centimeter square minus 144 centimeter square, root over 25 centimeter square. This subtraction is being 25 centimeter square, so root over 25 centimeter square, and the calculation became 5 centimeter. So BC became 5 centimeter. Now this BC is 5 centimeter and BP is X. See here, this is X, and from here till here this is 5 centimeter. So CP equal, this is 5 centimeter. So CP equal to how much? CP equal to 5 centimeter minus X. So I wrote here CP equal to 5 minus X centimeter. CP equal to 5 minus X centimeter, CP. And this CP and CQ both are equal. Why? Because these two tangents are drawn from the external point. And theorem says tangents drawn from the external point are equal in length. So CP equal to CQ. So I wrote here CP equal to CQ equal to 5 minus X centimeter. That theorem I have written as the reason tangents drawn from the external point. Now we come in this side. We can say AQ plus CQ. This was the third paragraph. This was the third paragraph. Now the fourth paragraph, I came in this side AC. AC, I have written AC equal to CQ plus AQ. CQ plus AQ equal to AC. The value of CQ from here 5 minus X centimeter plus AQ equal to 13 centimeter. So AQ equal to how much? 13 centimeter minus, this term will go that side, it will be minus 13 centimeter minus 5 minus X centimeter. If you calculate it, you got 13 centimeter minus plus minus 5 centimeter minus minus plus X. So 13 centimeter minus 5 centimeter equal to 8 plus X centimeter. So AQ became 8 plus X centimeter. Now AQ equal to AS, because these two tangents are drawn from the external point A. So AQ equal to AS. I have written here AQ equal to AS equal to 8 plus X centimeter. Reason is tangents drawn from the external point. Now this is 8 plus X and this is X. So AS plus BS equal to AB. AS plus BS equal to AB. AS is 8 plus X and BX is X. 8 plus X centimeter plus X equal to 12 centimeter. AB is 12 centimeter. So here I have added this 8x plus X equal to 12 centimeter. 8 centimeter plus 2x equal to 12 centimeter. So 2x equal to 12 centimeter minus 8 centimeter. So 4 centimeter, 2x equal to 4 centimeter, x equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore the radius became 2 centimeter.